First I want to congratulate both teams. It was a difficult game, knowing that we never played for the last 2 weeks. So we get a few chances where we could have killed the game from first half, but this is World Cup, and you know that it's not going to be easy. So I kind of disappointed we never finished the game early, but we keep them in till the game finished. So we need to work on that. We need to finish the chances because you get certain teams with quality. They're not going to give you a second chance at it.
Going into the next round, what do you think you guys can work?
Finishing, scoring goal, win match. You could make all the passes in the world. The end of the day is a result count. And we've been beating ourselves the whole season. We're playing the best football. Everybody talk about Tivoli and goal win match. Simple. So if we not score the goal, then we're going to have a problem. And we not think it out, critical thinking. We go down to the line and we could play it back. We are trying airport, so we have a lot of work to do. You understand? But we give thanks for the win because, as I said, 2 weeks break. Never play anything, so a bit rusty, but a good game from both teams.
Just say the name and title for the
Coach Karume Huie.